Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss how you can exit WhatsApp group without members knowing. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your WhatsApp. So once you have tapped open your WhatsApp, you need to scroll down to the group that you want to exit. So now once you have found the group, you need to simply tap it hold and you can find the three dot line on the top right hand side of the corner. So simply tap on it and there you can find the option called exit group. So once you tap on it, you can simply exit your group and just the admin will know about your exit. However, no other member can know that you have left the group. Now, if you want to leave the group or you don't want any messages from that group, but you don't want any of the people to know that you have left the group, all you can do is simply tap on the folder like icon beside the three dot and archive the chat. Once you have archived your chat, no messages will be sent to you and you will get no information about that particular group. So you can be in that group and leave the group itself. However, this is a temporary option which you can simply re-archive again and get into the group's messages again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.